Crypto Art Explained. Well, if you see everything from an artistic perspective, you'll realize that trading NFTs and crypto art is the most beautiful and difficult one. So you have to make sure that you understand properly so that you don't end up making a loss. Curious? Want to know how and where you can find the crypto arts? Then stay with us until the end of this video to find out the answers to your questions. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nft Explained for Beginners. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on the NFTs. We provide you with content about NFTs in a much easier way and make it understandable for beginners. With that being said, let's begin. But first of all, do you know that most of the crypto art resemble abstract art and that they do not have any particular thing, and some of them are directly related to the names of their NFTs? Now coming back to the topic, do you know what is crypto art? Well, crypto art is a digital art form. It is treated like physical artwork collections, and owners may have verified ownerships of a piece of crypto art. The art world has long been established systems for collection paintings or sculptures. Also, crypto art not only just exists in the form of a digital painting, but also in the various forms of graphics to music, VR dreamscapes, or programmable art. Collectors of digital assets may find these items to have a high value and may include still images, photography, GIFs, videos, music, and more. Well, now you know about the arts, but do you know about NFTs and how they are related to each other? A non-fungible token, also known as an NFT, is a non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a blockchain, a form of digital ledger, that can be sold and traded. Types of NFT data units may be associated with digital files such as photos, videos, and audio, just like the crypto arts. NFTs differ from blockchain cryptocurrencies because each token is uniquely identifiable. So how are they even connected? As NFTs exist in the form of tokens, therefore, they are used to trade pieces of digital art by exchanging those tokens with the arts. Well, in a way, you are directly buying those pictures because either way you have to invest money for minting the NFT tokens. For the fun fact, do you know what makes an NFT art valuable? It's simple. NFTs are valued just as much based on their creator's credibility in the physical world, the nature of the artwork, the amount of effort put into the art, the story behind the artwork, and the artist's social currency. I guess by now you've grasped a concept of what NFT artworks are. So isn't it also just as important to know how crypto art works? Obviously, without a deep understanding, you would not be able to trade like a pro. So basically the workings of the art depend on how you buy them. If I assume that you're already familiar with the blockchains, then you will already know that the NFTs used to buy crypto art are built on blockchain technology. It's designed like that just because the blockchain offers a secure digital record of transactions, which drastically reduces fraud, scams, copying of art, or illegal trading. But do you know what makes your art safe and unique? Well, if you think that it's the theme that allows them to be tracked and known, then you might be wrong. Actually, the blockchain acts as a digital ledger and serves as incorruptible proof of ownership. Using this system, artworks and their ownership can be always tracked via the blockchain. As soon as you add NFTs to this equation, you're also adding an incorruptible proof of authenticity to the digital ledger. Moreover, NFTs also offer royalties which are not available to currently available analog art formats. By using an NFT, a digital artist can stipulate what portion of the future sale proceeds are due back to the artist and what portion is due to the buyer or collector. So, you know everything about crypto arts, but do you know the people behind those masterpieces? Well, the people who design them are known as crypto artists. Some of the names such as DJ Deadmau5, Micah Johnson, or the artist Grimes are already well known, while the others maintain their anonymity with using pseudonyms in the style of street artists, which is very common. Fun fact is, one of the biggest names in the digital art market right now is Mike Winkelmann, also called Beeple. As soon as people became interested in crypto art in 2020, they made $3.5 million from the auctions of multiple editions of 3 digital artworks. His work has since been auctioned at Christie's, where his piece Every Day, the First 5,000 Days, sold for $69.3 million in March 2021. Another artist causing a buzz in the crypto art world right now is Pest Supply. Pest Supply is a digital artist producing artwork that takes inspiration from the street artist Banksy. In early 2021 alone, his satires generated hundreds of thousands in sales through NFTs, through press coverage and attention. For more of your information, some of the artists dominating the NFT scene were already well-established and successful artists commercially, working with brands such as Apple or Nike. So now imagine if brands like them are collaborating with the NFTs, then how much it has flourished in recent days, and it also signifies their potential and future capabilities. So I guess like everybody else, you do have queries about the authenticity and originality of the arts? Well, worry not. Generally, crypto arts can be authenticated and are genuine. The same way art can be signed and verified, crypto art can be authenticated and verified. The verification is completed using a non-fungible token, commonly referred to as an NFT, as you know. Moreover, over the past year, crypto art or NFT-based artworks have been sold through reputable auction houses such as Christie's for the thousands or even millions of dollars. So it's safe to assume that more or less you will have no problem when you trade. But don't get too carefree and relaxed. So what if normal people can't copy them, or they have copyrights and patents? Always remember that just as the Mona Lisa has been reproduced countless times in print and digital, so too can crypto art. If you are a professional in plagiarism or copying, stealing others' credits, then you can certainly copy a digital file, including art sold with an NFT. But in some cases, the owner can buy the rights to reproduction, although artists usually retain this. Well, this is a legal method as only the owners have the right to do so because it's their own creation. Therefore, always check the art pieces not once, but more than twice before you invest in any of them, because once you spend your money, there's no way you can get it back. Coming to the best part, the part where I reveal the best places where you can find the crypto art. You want to know about them? I bet you guys do want to. Therefore, let me suggest some of them. So, some of the top marketplaces that allow you to buy NFT crypto artwork are Art-Oli, Crypto.com, NFT Ethereum, EOCO. Some of them include Flow, Hive, Near, Phantasm, Tezos, Waves, Zilliqa, VeChain, Thor, etc. Well, you can visit any of them and buy some only if you're interested enough. But if you agree with my opinion, then it's always a good idea to look around and do some research before buying a big purchase or investment. Just as you would when buying art from galleries, do your due diligence before purchasing an artwork, be it analog or digital. Oh, I almost forgot to mention about the blockchains that support NFTs. They too are important because the NFTs themselves are based on the blockchain technology. The Ethereum blockchain is one of the most popular networks for digital artists to join and sell their artwork on. The Ethereum network currently hosts more than 20 unique marketplaces for crypto art, making it the most extensive of all the platforms for this type of artwork. There is something for you on each marketplace on Ethereum. No matter what you're looking for, you're sure to find it on Ethereum. Some marketplaces like Rarible and Mintable offer a complete range of digital art. Others like Ephemera cater mainly to people who love photographs. So, as you are already familiar with these words, with new entries popping up almost every week, the digital art marketplace is constantly changing worldwide. Don't forget to let us know in the comments section what are your views regarding the platforms and the crypto arts themselves, and are you willing to invest and buy them? If you found something new to learn from this video, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe and click the bell icon to stay notified of more videos explaining NFTs. We will see you in the next one, and until then, peace out.